All right. So I'm back after a long time, and today we will discuss something about the spatial factorization. How does the spatial factorization works? I have a square minus b square, and I would say that this is a minus b, and this is a plus b. All right, that's it. Okay. So if you want to do the spatial factorization, this is the formula. Let's go ahead and use this in the examples. So if I have x square minus 36, I can write x square minus 36 as x bracket square and 36 as 6 square. But if you see here, the role of A is this, and this is my B. So can I write this as x minus 6 and x plus 6? And that's it. This is done. Let's go ahead and use this logic in another example. Y square minus 64. I would write y square as y bracket square. 64, I will write it as 8 square. I know that this is my A. I know that this is my B. And A minus B, A plus B. Okay. This is a simple one. By the way, spatial factorization is becomes very important when we will do the radicals rationalizations part. Okay. Number three. I will write 4y square minus 64. Whenever you have such kind of example, don't rush for the spatial factorization. Investigate the equation. You see here, I can take 4 as a GCF and then I will go for this. But instead of 64, I would write it as 16. Okay. And this becomes very easy to handle, right? I mean, in any way you go, answer will remain the same. I can further write as y bracket square 16. I can write as 4 square using spatial factorization, which will be this is my A, this is my B, and I would write it as 4 times y minus 4 and y plus 4. Okay? That should be the answer. Number 4. Number four is 16n square minus 49n square. This simple, I can write it as this. I can write so I can write 49n square as like this. It will be 4n minus n and 4n plus. Number 5 would be okay. So this is an interesting one. Let's check your concepts. X to the power 4, I can write it as x squared to the square. I can write 81 as 9 square. I identify my A, I identify my B. Here, A minus B and A plus B. But hold on, guys, word of caution. You cannot leave the answer as it is because if you see here, this term, this term, this term is pretty much done. This is done. But what about this? I can further use the same rule over here and I can write it as x minus 3, x plus 3. And remember, this will applicable only and only when you have a negative sign in between. Okay, so that is 6. Number 5. Number 6 would be 81 k square minus y plus 2 bracket square, and it will be acting as like 9k bracket square minus y plus 2 bracket square. I identify my E and B, A minus B, A plus B. A minus B, and a plus b. So, a minus y minus 2 and 9k plus y plus 2. All right. So this is all about spatial factorization. In the next video, we will look for the GCF, then rational expressions, finding the LCD, so on and so forth. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.